Create and configure a new topology offline even before the assembly of the machine starts. Copy and edit existing projects to increase the efficiency in the planning phase. Import the final topology into the PLC to save time and money, to speed up the commissioning process. Where are all the devices that need to be configured? The Balluff Engineering Tool enables you to monitor and administrate the entire topology. Safe, fast, and efficient. Because the machine is running and running and running. The smart way to use I/O link devices.